Good morning, everyone. Chris here, aka Winchesterton Filled. Today I'd like to discuss the subreddit's Our Personal Finances monthly 30-day challenge. This month's challenge is to cook more often. For those of you that don't know the subreddit Our Personal Finance, it's my number one tool for reading and learning about personal finance. It's a social media platform where users can post and discuss their financial questions and inquiries. And I recommend watching my previous video breaking down Our Personal Finance's Prime Directive. I want to give a quick shout out to the Road to Fire YouTube channel. They commented on my previous budgeting video asking what budget method I use. This was something that was not discussed in that video, and I implore all of you to go check out their video discussing the zero-based budgeting method and to research budgeting methods that can best suit you. The monthly 30-day challenges are typically 2-minute reads that focus your financial efforts on a rotating list of categories such as this month's Cook More Often or June's Review of Investment Assets. I really like these monthly challenges because whether you're new to reviewing your finances or a seasoned vet, they set goals for you to achieve each and every month. They have archives going back to 2014, so you could conceivably complete any challenge in your free time. This month's challenge is to cook more often, which for many of us during the pandemic has become our primary option, and we're already seeing the savings from that. But that doesn't mean there aren't tidbits that I can't pull from the reading anyways. Go ahead, pause this video, read this month's challenge. For me, this month's challenge is a reminder that shopping off-brands is not a curse word and that I should try and shop the sales. I've discovered when it comes to off-brand like buttons, that I like buttons that make you jam on that button till it turns blue. Do it. But really, I've discovered that I like off-brand root beer and off-brand Dr. Pepper, and I saved $1.50 per 2-liter I buy. It's these small savings that add up. But hey, I'm not a foodie when it comes to my soda. Additionally, I've come to realize the vast difference of chicken costs. The Albertsons in my neighborhood is $6.99 a pound, while the Crisp is $3.99 a pound for seasoned chicken and $2.99 a pound for unseasoned. And that's not even getting into the all-organic, raised without antibiotics, 100% vegetarian, taken on daily walks, and read to late at night kind of chickens that you can find for north of $11.99 a pound. But considering I live within a mile of 4 different grocery stores, it's easy for me to go to each one and shop the best deals. What makes these monthly challenges so great is they offer success criteria. This month I decided to post a recipe for stuffed chicken using mainly leftover ingredients. Today's financial moment of zen is that you can't out-earn bad spending habits. Cooking at home and not eating out is just one example of living below your means. I mean, do you really want to be the guy that only eats chickens that has to be taken on nightly walks? Make sure to check out the monthly challenge. I posted a link in the description below. I hope to continue showing you my progress and contributions to these monthly challenges. And if this video inspired you to partake in this month's challenge, post in the comments below what criteria you completed. Like and subscribe below. It'll let me know you enjoy my content. Don't forget to jam on it, as there's no time like the present to start making changes in your life. Thank you.